So welcome to another class today. Today I want us to consider a question. And this question, I took it from SAT, American Mathematics. So this is an exam type question and we have it on the screen. Find x if 4 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 1. When they give you something like this, how will you find the value of x? So let me pause for a while and seek your own opinion. What should I do to solve this? Okay, now, when they give you something like this, the first thing you will do, of course, is to write the question mark. And this is the question. We have 4 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 1. Now, let me show you something. From the law of indices, I want you to recall that when you have something like this, now you are allowed to bring the power outside in and the one in out. So that means that m can go out and m can come in. So I can have a raised to the power n, then raised to the power n. So the power inside can go out and the power outside can come inside. So this is actually correct. And you agree with me that m times n is equal to n times n. Anyhow you do it is commutative. It's the same thing. Okay, and look at this as well. If I say 2 times 3 and I say 3 times 2, we should get the same answer. So this can come in and this can go out. So with this background, I think it's easy now for us to solve the next part of this problem. And what is that basically? Let me explain. Now, you will notice from here, so let me take this off. You will notice from here that I can write this as 4 raised to the power x, which means I did not change this one. But look at this one very well. I can write it as 2 raised to the power of 2, then x out. So what I did was I brought the 2 inside and I brought the x out. And from the law of indices, this is actually correct. It's equal to 1. So what is this? 4 raised to the power x. Now what is 2 raised to the power 2? 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, right? Raised to the power of x is equal to 1. Now what do you notice? You will notice that 4 raised to the power x is coming how many times? It's coming twice. So if I add this to this, I should be getting what? Let me show you. Now 4 raised to the power x plus what? 4 raised to the power x is equal to 1. This is coming twice. Can you see? So because it's coming twice, I can say 2 times 4 raised to the power x. Can you see? Is equal to 1. Then now, I can do one more thing. I can use a common base. And that base will be what? Base 2. So this will become 2 raised to the power 1. 4 will become 2 raised to the power 2, then x. And 1 will become 2 raised to the power 0. So from the law of indices, this is actually correct. Now from the law of indices as well, when you have the same base, you can pick one base, then you add the powers. Let me tell you why I'm adding the powers. When you multiply, you have to add the powers. And this will give you 2 raised to the power of 0. So from here, you can cancel this. So that means 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. And this can go away. So this should be 2x is equal to minus 1. So from here, you can divide both sides by 2. This will cancel. So the final answer for x is minus half. So I'm going to see you in another video. For now, thank you.